Hello everyone, welcome to the CSCA48 Introduction to Computer Science 2 online tutorials. I am one of your TAs for this course, William Song. So y'all can know me a little bit better, I am a returning TA for this course. I'm a 4th year undergraduate at UTSC, and this summer I am also working as an SDE intern at Amazon. You can reach me at my email, willie.song@mail.utoronto.ca. I will also be posting course materials, such as tutorial slides and notes to my website, willsong.org. Obviously, this semester will be very different to what we're used to. As such, I have a few aims I hope we can work on together. The first is going to be open communication. I'll be as open about communication as possible, and I hope that you will too. This is the first time we are teaching this course exclusively online, so any feedback, big or small, that you may have about how this is delivered would be appreciated. We're trying to create the best experience for you all as students, and we need that feedback. Second is going to be online presence. Of course, we will all be online this semester. So all lectures, tutorials, and office hours will be hosted online. Please check and participate in our online forums, Piazza primarily and Quarkus, as often as possible. When this video is made public, I will have a poll on Piazza so you can vote on when I should host my office hours. Because we are all quarantined inside, the TAs will be uploading weekly videos covering normal tutorial material. We may be trying a few different formats, so give us back your feedback as soon as possible. So that's it for this quick little introductory video. In the next video, I will start tackling the first bits of material for CSCA48.